ga-akọ akụkọ mgbawa enwere n'ụwa gbahụ ka ga-ehicha ndị nsọ niile anya ma emesịa onye nwanyị ga-abịa wee ndị nsọ dum ga-ezukọta n'igwe anyị ga-akọ akụkọ mgbawa enwere n'ụwa gbahụ ka ga-ehicha ndị nsọ niile anya anyị ga-eru n'eluigwe anyị ga-ahụ eze Jizọs n'ebe ọ nọ n'ocheeze na-echere ya haleluya anyị ga-abụ abụ mmeri anyị ga-eti ụzana oke ọṅụ ga-eju n'ime eluigwe mgbe anyị ga-eru n'eluigwe anyị ga-ahụ eze Jizọs n'ebe ọ nọ n'ocheeze na-echere ya haleluya anyị ga-abụ abụ mmeri anyị ga-eti ụzana oke ọṅụ ga-eju n'ime eluigwe
mgbe anyị ga-eru n'eluigwe brother how far well nke abụkwa ije na iwe ka maọbụ n'ido ewere ga-akwụ ụgwọ na bọs na-eje Ọnịcha maọbụ Lagos nke akwụkwọ ejila kpụrụ ọkpụrụ ikike na-ega onye na-eje ya bụrụ ọrụ ya na-eje ọ ga-adị egwu
otu ụbọchị obi ga-ada anyị ga-alụ ọlụ Jizọs otu ụbọchị obi ga-ada anyị ga-alụ ọlụ onye nwanyị mgbe ahụhụ nke ụwa gacha ma ọ gaghị achata ime.
Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you for being here this beautiful morning. I don't know where you are watching from, whether I should say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or rather good night. I don't know where you are watching from, but I am in Enugu and it is 26 minutes past 11. It's a Sunday morning here and it is beautiful and shining, and at this juncture, I am going to say once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome for being here today. Thank you very much for everything you've done. I've not been here for the past 5 days. It's been difficult. From here to there to there. Life is difficult. Life is not easy. But however, whichever way it is, you take out some time to look after yourself. They say body no be firewood, and I am back, and we are going to be very critical. We are going to be decisive today. We are going to be detailed, analytical, and I'm going to first make a presentation and a little bit of commentary and analysis, and then, as always, I'm going to open our phone lines for all of us to weigh into this conversation and know why black men, especially women, we look down on single mothers. We see single mothers as people who are irresponsible, people who are no longer women enough, people who had lost huge part of them. Some men today will say, we are not going to marry you if you are not pregnant. Some of them are going to say, you must conceive. They don't trust the women. Not to talk of getting married to single mothers. I don't know why our perspective concerning single mothers are bad. Once you talk to an Igbo man and say, this girl I'm going before, no. What comes to the mind is a prostitute, a girl who lost control, a girl who lack proper home bringing or upbringing. These are some of the things we are going to weigh into and know why we see single mothers as thing that is not good. I don't know why. I might be part of people who are of the opinion, but my opinion might not be ultimate. That is why we need to have the conversation and know why the society belittle, besiege, look down on single mothers. Who are single mothers? Ụmụ nwaanyị mugoro nwa fana dị febiro. Onye tụrụ ime ajadu n'ụlọ mụta nwa. Nwaanyị anụbere dị mụọ nwa. Onye nwa ka a na-akpọ single mother. Ị nwere nwa, ị nwere ụmụ, and you are not married. You are not legally married, or you are not living with your husband. You are not married, man. Ị nwere nwa. We call you single mother. It's not a ticket to hell. It is not a mark of the beast. But our men are beginning, they have always seen this category or caliber or class of people as people who are irresponsible. But I know, if you want responsible people, humble people, people who are going to be calm in marriage, they are the single mothers. But our men, they are one chara chara. Some of us watching the men, They say they want to marry a virgin. I don't know why. I don't know why that is the case. We are going to open the phone line. But before, we'll go over to the phone lines for us to have conversation this morning. Our brother, Mr. O Delivery, our delivery company, Kobo, running from Delta State to Anambra. Basically, what they do is, only if you go na Anambra, their bike, their vehicle is going to go there and pick and drop for you. They are running in Anambra and, of course, in Delta State. The essence of supporting a brother is that at the point you call me, you tell me what you do. We are going to do publicity for you. So, it is very, very important that you support. It's very, very important. Mr. O Delivery, covering Anambra and Delta State alone. They pick and drop. They can go to main market, Ose. They can go to tire relief markets, anywhere. They can go to Obo CC, anywhere in Delta State. Buy something for you and deliver where you want. Or they can buy the ones you have already. They can get things from your house and take it to anywhere. So far, Delta State and Anambra State are concerned. Please. And we should go to the phone line and see why our men look down on single mothers. Why our men are running away. Why they run away once you mention that this lady, why is that so? Having a child at home, what are the consequences? What are the repercussions? What is the height of the calamity you committed for having a child out of wedlock? Men beseech them. Men don't like them. Men play with them. Men insult them. Men joke with them. What is the height of irresponsibility in you if you have a child at home? I'm sure most white people do not care whether you are married before, you have babies. But our men, probably Igbo men, a lot of us in our church in Aigano, a lot of us say that this woman, they don't have womb. These women, they've played with their womb. They've toyed with their womb. A lot of Igbo men will say, this lady will want to marry. She must be pregnant for us. Before we'll go and pay the bride price. I don't know why we reason like that. That's why we will go to the phone line 090-1734-2796. 090-1734-2796. Let's hear your opinion on this topical issue. Why nobody wants to marry them. That is why a lot of our single mothers in Africa today are depressed. A lot of them are being insulted. A lot of them are being mocked. A lot of them are being pointed badly. A lot of them are being gossiped. A lot of them are being pushed to suicide due to the perspective of our men. Where do we go from here? How do we support the women verbally? What are we going to say to them? To encourage them and tell them that there is nothing short in them. That they are still 100% human being. Call me on 090-1734-2796 and of course 090-240-88601. 090-240-88601 and of course 090-1734-2796. On a morning that I'm appealing to all of us to support a brother, Mr. O Delivery. It's a pick and drop company established by our brother running from Delta State and of course Anambra State. The entirety of Anambra State and Delta State, Mr. O Delivery. Caller from Germany, good morning. I don't know what is going on. Caller from UK, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
No, good morning. Caller from UK, good morning to you.
Oh yeah, this is Ugo baby.
Thank you very much. Ugo baby, umu nwoke anyị na-ene ni single mothers anya. Nwaanyị ọbụla mugoro nwa n'ụlọ. A na-afị ya ka ọ bụ onye ara ka ọ na ọ bụ ekwensu. Where do we go from here?
Okay, ihe m na-ekwu that na ọwụdo all the whole single mothers wo ekwensu ma ọwụwụ that na ọha nwa metere ihe o ji wee dere ha taa. Yọtago? O nwere some who that na they are very wonderful people from their upbringing. But due to that na ha tested this forbidden fruit once.
Yes.
It might not when they just once have made that mistake. And but because of their upbringing, has no agad magi wepoganwa. Hence I have told the person who they at fault. The person denied it. And the people will say the family guys. So you look at that person that na another way. We are not God to judge why you test what the forbidden fruit. But that person made all that in for me. So ogadana bi nwoke ibiasi na ochoro elia alalia. Sometimes nwoke na tojo that na owu na mlochi onya na nwa ha o mutara nzonwe ya nozucha na oga alachi back to the father or whatever. Fine and good.
No, let me read a comment for you. Somebody said, "Okulora, you don't have shame. Go and marry them." Single mother. Us na ben wara shame na muje no on the single mother. You see the mentality of our men. Tochukwu nwogo si ni yera de mem that I should go and marry single mother.
Mba, Tochukwu nwogo. I bere ebe a ka I bia muta. Onye obula na ebe a na emuta.
And he is already insulting. He's already insulting women. That I should be that I'm shameless if I go and marry a single mother. It's very bad.
Odiroma, if you Tochukwu iwe onye Igbo anyị ọwụ na gị nwa na onwe gị decidere na ị gaghị alụ single mother or what the reason why ị ga-ejikwa nye ụmụ nwoke ndị ọzọ maybe advice not to marry them. Ịmana obodo Igbo anụ anyị nọ kịta ama m that na mụ like my topic that I'm coming this evening to treat is why ụmụ nwaanyị na-eji ahapụ di ha oversay, but enwere ụmụ nwaanyị ndị wụ that na their character ịghọtala ha si na dipụta is not good. That their own character is not good as well. So let's assume now that you come out with you are also a single mother. Then yes, give me chakwana chokwa ilu nwoke. So nwoke mokatakwara na hapukwa no nweye motakwara ni umu, but that is also a single father.
Most of these single mothers are victims of bad men. They fell for bad men. Okay, let me tell you, a lady in Maryland, a very beautiful woman, one Igbo, Batara Nigeria, no nwoke, nye ya akwụkwọ American visa na America. Enye nwoke a green card, nwoke a rapia na ụmụ ya na agbo gbafuo. This man ran away. This lady now na-azụ ụmụ na abụ. Di ya were go green card gba ọsọ na America. And echi now, somebody will come and call her a single mother. And that man is an angel.
You see? And don't want to work with him. I don't want to work okay, now this woman now when he swallow her pride now. Okay, love via lawyer. So you know what now can love via na lawyer na misery you that comment until Okulora go and marry a single. People should know how to comment.
You know, the essence of this topic is for us to know how our people reason. Most of these women insulting single mothers. Hey, mega abortion more than 3 times. Some only go 5. And you see somebody who is bold enough to carry a baby for 9 months, you call them single mother. We need to change this narrative. A lot of single mothers in Igbo land are depressed due to the way society sees them.
Okulora. Again, there is so many single mothers in overstay. Do you know that now? How when even group now? I'm not saying that when they do very, very bad. If you see their way safe, you get that like Do you understand? Yeah. Those people, if you are a man that come across them, okay, how would just hit and run, okay? In fact, even in go did their conversation as a single mother, you won't even like them. So maybe they are the one that is giving some men impressions that all the single mothers are evil. No, there is so many single mothers that are very, very wonderful people. Honestly, I have met a lot of people. I have, and when I listen to their problem, single, and you find out that no shit hanaka. So you get there because of ndeke dinjo mondeke nwere group na if you say do you know that nwere onye nke mepedre group self or page na made the man advice to even be single, to even have children without marriage. I don't like it. It's bad.
Thank you very much. The bottom line is that whether you are single mother or whatever, or a man to bagime, and the man should get share of that irresponsibility too. When you are pointing at a single mother, you should be also pointing at the man who made her a single mother. You got her pregnant and you never married to her, or you left the marriage. That was why the woman is considered a single mother. Thank you very much, Ugo Baby from United Kingdom. God bless you. Thank you very much. The man, would you marry a single mother? I'm even talking about men marrying a single mother. Some of our men are insisting that before they get married to a woman, she must she must get pregnant for them to be sure that the womb is working, because a lot of our men no longer believe in our women. They believe that 70% of our women are sleeping around, that they are semi-prostitutes, that they are mobile prostitutes. You know, there are prostitutes that stand on the road, and then the mobile ones are the ones you can put on call, and then they will come. That is why we are where we are today. Let's see who is there. Good morning. Are you there? Good morning.
Hello.
Hey, good morning, brother.
Good morning, Ohurora.
Odogu, good morning.
Yeah,
Thank you very much. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Enugu.
Thank you very much. Go ahead.
Laura, I thank you very much for this program in a hold for our people.
Thank you.
The topic today is very, very interesting. Ihe gbasakwa this single mother na-ekwu okwu ya. Our people need to consider that the population of people in the world is rising rapidly. And a lot of crises and vices, and you know, people na-emegasi people bịa banye na some issue, some problem na-eme relationship affect. So the people don't even look at ihe na-eme n'ụwa. They will just go ahead and conclude and start condemning people for no reason.
Yes.
There is nothing bad with somebody being a single parent.
Would you marry a single mother, brother? Would you marry a single mother?
I even five, I can.
Wow.
No, in my problem, and they don't want to identify with themselves and be sincere to themselves.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Anyway, we people are trying to abolish polygamy, and it doesn't help our society.
Brother, our men are attacking you. They say you are lying. You want to please the women. They say that you are not going to do it.
No, see, all their opinion, I don't mind. I don't care. Do you understand? Everybody will the other. It doesn't mean that in a relationship you will not have issues.
Yes.
You will have issues. But the ability for you to identify that these things are common thing in relationship. All this media, ndị mmadụ abịa na ịmago nwozi onye nwe common sense, nwozi onye na-reason irrationally.
Yes.
So what are my contribution na this thing? If we can be able to, ndị mmadụ can be able to identify themselves, you know what you can get yourself involved into. Ọ bụrụ ebe na condemn some, their life.
But brother, let's talk about the women a little. Like onwere ife ọ na-alụ obi with ya. Ọ bụ na onwe ma na-akpọ okpoko na Ọnịcha, Anambra State. Ị ga-afụ nwa 18 years enwere ife ọ na-alụ. Ọ mụgo ụmụ ịtọ, 3 different fathers. Onye ọkada tọbara ime, ọ mụọ ya na befa, o buru ife jọọ piwe ka onye agboro tobe ya ime. Ọ mụkwa o jee Ọchanja, onye na-ere ife na Ọchanja tọbakwa ime. Ama ịkpọrọ gị jee okpoko na Ọnịcha na iburu aka n'isi. Ndị a bụkwa ajọ single mother. Ndị a abụrụkwa victim of circumstance. Yes.
I want to give something concerning such people.
Yes.
Imana, the condition of our like in Nigeria now. Let me use Nigeria as a case. The economy, the too bad that people strive to survive. So this kind of thing now can lead people to just for them to survive, they can do anything. And in the process, you find out that some people are getting pregnant without being married.
Brother,
So,
men are asking if you are married or no.
I am married.
Did you marry a single mother or nwa pino kijejeduru nwa akpabere aka?
I did not marry a
That is what they are saying. As na mari fineku. Na ijegoje duru ezigbo nwa be ye na agwa aja eburu nwaanyị mugoro ụmụ ino.
I don't want to be sentimental.
I know. We are joking.
Yeah. Ihe bụ si rapụkwa ihe a anyị na-ekwu ihe anyị na-ekwu dịkwa very very important now because ka anyị na-e position ya na-achọ ime ka ndị a fụtata onwe ha dat na ihe ha mere adịrọ mma. Kedu ihe bụzi ihe dị mma?
No, we are going to motivate them, inspire them. We are not going to allow them to continue to be depressed. Onwere onye mere ibia, but brother, the truth, onwe ebe a na-akpọ okpoko n'Ọnịcha. Ebe a na-akpọ okpoko n'Ọnịcha is about the poorest place in Anambra State. Ụmụazị 17-18 years na-eme competition ịmụ nwa there.
All the people now condemn these particular people. I'm talking about them. How will you condemn such people? They are human like us.
Oh, we love them.
Mistake I na ha mee. They don't ever mistake in his or her own way.
Brother, some have wrong mistakes. Some did it intentionally.
Or you make intentional, you live with it now.
Thank you very much, my brother from Enugu. Thank you very much. And I speak to a lot of men. You know, when we go to the bar, we gist. You know, we bring a topical issue and go over it. It will be an account and inspiration. So the men are saying that nwanyi mugoro nwa na arụ ya ada adịzi ka na arụ ya echenji sigo na nwa esigi ya na arụpụta dị afọ na ịma na the system a nyerozi ife achọ na ha chọrọ nwa 1918. But in every honesty, ọnwụ ụmụ nwaanyị mugoro nwa arụfa ka arụ ndị na-amụbere nwa mma. I'm telling you the truth. Enwe 30 years old mugoro ụmụ na-abụ arụ ya dị mma karịa arụ nwa agbọghọ 20 years. You need to agree with me. You must agree with me on that. That there are women who have 2 kids, 3. Ha kachikọrọ ọnụ arụfa niile ma ara ha na-enye nwa ka dị mma. Enwe nwa 20 years before bụ na ọgwụgo nwere ife dị there. And this is the bone of contention. Ask a typical Igbo man, why you chọrọ single mother? I think na arụ ya ha sago na ọmụgo nwa na onye go nwa ara that the mechanisms are no longer fully functional. Na ha chọrọ nwa dị like this. Chefuo na onwe nwa 20 years mego abortion 10 times. It happens. You must understand. I'm being honest to you. Abum G. Abum guy. What if all of that he fake or na amaro? So I'm telling you from experience and all that. Iya from 20 ona ni Igbo dị na. On since Friday before Easter abani onya, the whole Enugu nwere hotel efe dị na Enugu. Enwe m visitor na abani onya, aga m Enugu niile GRA Golf Enugu niile. Hotel niile dey filled up. Who are those in the hotel? Oh, ụmụazị kerekere ụmụazị a na-epiarị with ndị mpa mmadụ. From there akụrụ ebe a esi ebe a. And now these little girls now put out a single mothers abuse. I can assure you, single mothers are better than most of these small girls on Instagram. In a sense, you need to understand. I know. Don't ask me how I know. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, okay.
Oh, the one name now, Belgium. You are calling from Belgium, right?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Go ahead. Thank you very much. Thank you, one name. Thank you, brother.
Na topic nke data na topic single mothers ọ dịghị easy. Ihe ndị mmadụ ji atụ mana ndị banyị na agbakala okwu akụkụ ihe ndị mmadụ ji atụrụ ụjọ single mother bụ malice. Ihe mere single mother either na enyi ya nwoke maọbụ na di nke ha na-agba mụrụ nwa melie ihe ọjọọ ya na onwe ya pakwa na no relationship. Okwu ya esekwe because onye nke nwoke nwere iwe nwaanyị nwere iwe nke o nwere manova no relationship. Or the reason you can imagine a two job. You are not anyone any woman where single mother. Moka Yakulia, only him working more than 1 million. What they are no.
Brother, Egano, Hapugodi, if any night, general. Egano sing one, you do more tomo buoketa. If you are like Yaganoya, he get during Dobera, Milli. He get during the Kerekere and the Jendi. More now.
special nke anyị nọ n'obodo oyibo na instead of mụnwa na ije anụ mmụ ọmụ ọsịsọ ihe ọ ka mma na mụnwa je na Nigeria kpọrọ onye magolo ihe bụ the life ihe mma gwa m na mmemme ka ọmaltat na n'ihe a na ọ dịghị easy.
Brother, the way we put say down, very soon they are going to start protesting here because we always talk the night. You are not saying that come you get one say so you get single mother. Nwa anyị bugoro ụmụ ịnọ ịrapụ nwa dị mma je duru nwa anyị mụchago ụmụ.
Ihe m na-agwa gị mụnwa na-ekwu ka o si gwadị m na nọ n'obodo Igbo na instead of mụnwa ebe na Nigeria now nụọ nwaanyị ọ bụla onye single onye na-anụghọ dị before. Either no 35 years or 40 years but na-anụghọ m onye na-anụghọ dị before. Ma ọ bụla nke ka ndị anụọ ndị 25 years n'ụlọ 25 years ọnwa ofu nwa. Ịghọta na so ihe ọ bụrụ choice dị iche iche ọ bụrụ na mana ọ bụrụ na anyị ji na-akọrọ eji mmadụ ka mmadụ na-amụ nwa single mother onye nye na-edi enwe nsogbu basetụlụ onye ọfụma ịghọta na o nwere ebe ọ dị ize o nwere family dị bụ sweet o nwere family bụ honey n'ọbụrụ nwa obere ihe onye ọbụla esi nke dị gbapụ nwa nsị mụtara mmadụ nwa bifis na-abịa bargain some certain things ịghọta na ma asịrọkwa mmadụ ya nọkwa na violent marriage ịghọta na maọbụ ebe ọ bụla na-akụ gị instead of going nwa ọka gị ma nepụta.
Thank you very much. Thank you, brother from Belgium. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I need to put categories there. Enwe single mother sibo na fa n'ụdị mụọ ụmụ ịbụ ụmụ ịtọ ha na difa nwa okwu ma ọ na difa nwụrụ anwụ ndị a nọ na different category. Then enwe ndị bụ victim of circumstance. You saw a guy, you loved a guy and you got pregnant for him. You decided to keep the baby knowing that he's going to come and marry you. But along the line, you disappointed. These are single mothers in another category. And then, when they get from a very bad background, living in a poor, terrible, disastrous location. I made mention of Okpoko in Onitsha. Okpoko Kigabe, from 17 years, Omugu Mweto. Yana parents here, with whom how to chat 20 in a one room. Konye Tobari, Monye Igbo. Konye Tobari, I mean, Cable or Maro. Even Okpoko, if you Mazi this ime, Konye Tobagi me, they don't know. And we could get to onye na-agba keka ebiri ya ihe jele no piwe ka onye agburu kpọrọ ya je na azụ park tobe ya ime. These people are single mothers as well. So when you are talking about single mothers, you tell me the category. On this ibe di fapụta ka ndị mmadụ tobara ime disappoint yafa ka ụmụazị a na-amara ife na-ere ahịa mbugharị ndị agboro na-atụba ime no piwe ka na ọchanja main market. We need to put that into perspective as well. So we know what we're saying. Let's go to Germany and see. Caller from Germany, good morning. Odoguna, Germany, good morning, brother. Thank you very much. Thank you, one Lord.
I think continue to know who I am. Experience in Adam, matters and everything.
Yes, it does.
I'm single mother in you. Why not?
Oga, my guys is woman can work in cause of motor I'm hearing you. Oh no, you are not clear, brother. You are not clear at all. I want our women to call. Where are the women? They need to call. They are more critical today. I need our women to weigh into this conversation and tell me where we'll go from here. I don't know. Our women are very, very vital at this point. The women, please, if the men are going to wait for a while for the women to come, I'm going to be very, very happy. The women, there is a call from Netherlands. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you very much.
Biko, yan chori contribute ni ha na-ekwu. I'm vice mod okay from here.
It's very fine. You can go ahead. We are listening.
Okay. Then my mom go why. From experiencing well here basalo some pino the kiss here.
Yes.
Like it pino. Kama you can have one man his choice.
Yes.
Sometimes someone pino when he came well. Onye gi nsogbu. Kama if you know enye nsogbu. Oh no, a mother why you do more a single mother. If you hear the fagaro. Because sometimes we think about the marriage, I also think about the health.
Yes.
because o nwere ihe enwe asị nwoke bụla odegwu o nwere ike nwa pịnọpịnọ nwere ike ịrịta nwa at end of them bụ ya anatazi ka izu ike akụlikọ ife niile na ịfụrụ ya na so ịgbalụzie aka mana o nwere nwaanyị ya afụ na ọ gabagakwa a lot of things a little bit ịkpọghọta ya n'ụlọ odofe ọ ga-arụ and onweghị nwoke chọrọ ka ọ wise for one day ịfụrụ ya na so for mụnwa I decided na mụnwa anụgo m mana ọ bụrụ na mmadụ bụ nwee a victim of such then what I would do for me to find out I could decide with ụmụ abụọ nwa I live with those two kids o nwere ike nwoke lụte mgbe elu onwe onye fụ na ọ mụsị gị ya adabara gị na abụ iwere were na nka mana ije wetakwa pịnọpịnọ nwere ike at end of the day nwaanyị a na-apịa gị okwe n'isi
nwanne ọ pụta na enwere ụmụ ndị obere anụnwa nwere ezigbo agwa anyị na-ekwutọ ndị obere a too much emere a na-asị na ụmụ ọma ọsịsọ na ha na-apịawa azụ mba brother ife a ga-esekwa okwu onye bere anọ sị na ụmụ pịnọpịnọ na-apịawa mmadụ azụ ọ pụta na nwere ezigbo nwa bụ pịnọpịnọ ka ekwuo n'okwu ọfụma odogwu
Okwuluola to be sure enwere ụmụaka bụ ezigbo from age of 20 something because onwere ebe ebula aja ngwara adịrọ mana enwekwa ihe ndị dị mma sure ịghọtago ọgwa mmadụ na-eme mmadụ obi agba ya njọ ịghọtago so o nwere ụmụ pịnọpịnọ ụmụaka ka malụ mma nwere ezigbo
karakta ha nọ ya ị na-ekwu isi obi na-amapụ anyị dịka ọsọ single mothers bụ ezigbo mmadụ
fa aka nkụ kama the only thing nwoke ya eme bụ na isi na ị nọ na Facebook fụ nwaanyị ọ na ị nọ n'obodo iwe fụta nwaanyị bata Nigeria na 2 weeks ifụgo nwaanyị sometimes you take your time ọ dị ka onye gaa school or you take your time na study things wee na-amata ife thing na akọwa about now you know o nwere some lectures gị nwa na inyekwa online o nwere ihe mmadụ amara mara from this argument a na here someone can also learn you know age abụrụkwanụ wisdom ịma ọ nwere ndị tọsịla atọ kịta na gị nwa nọ mana ị na-ele
you're right. Oh, the call is no longer coming. I don't know why that is the case. The call is no longer there. Where are the women? Where are the women? I don't know where our women are today. They are just watching. They don't want to. Oh, this is a Sunday morning. Maybe they are cooking. The women are cooking. Probably they are cooking. They are in the kitchen. And the men are making the whole utterances. They are shaking everywhere. Our men are asking questions of the women. They say single mothers are good. They say single mothers